Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Nubank to Wise. First, open the Wise app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, download it from App Store or Google Play Store. In Wise app, tap Balance or Receive. Then choose currency you want to receive. You will show your local bank details like account number, routing code, and etc. Tap copy, you will have this detail already. Now open Nubank on your phone. Tap transfer on the Nubank mobile home screen. Choose another bank or external transfer. Enter the details you copied from Wise app, account number, routing number, IBN if needed, account holder name. Make sure everything is correct. This is very important. Now type how much money you want to send. Double check the currency. It should match Wise balance you are sending to. Check all the information once more time, then tap confirm or send. Nubank will complete the transfer. You might need to use biometric unlock or a password to confirm. Wait your notification. You will receive a notification as money arrived in your Wise bank. This usually take a few minutes to or a couple of days depending on bank and currency. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.